Here's our 1995 Subaru, and we've got a problem where all the electrical went dead. And we checked the battery. We tried charging the battery, and everything was still dead. And then we got under the hood here and we cleaned the battery cables, the connectors there. And then this one cable connector was broken, so I cleaned up the ends of the cable, the wires, and then reclamped it. And then I took that cable apart, took the nut off, and cleaned the washers and underneath there. And then tried cleaning, and it still didn't have any electrical in the car. So then I decided to check the fuse link, which is in this fuse box here. And there you can see the fuse link that I'm pointing to there. It's basically a copper wire, and if it gets overloaded with electricity, then it'll burn out. And what I did was I took this coupling and stripped the ends of the copper wire, put the coupling in there, and then crimped it together. So I didn't have to get a new fuse link. I just recoupled the old fuse link in there. And there's the crimping tool. You just put the wire and then crimp it with that. And then I just put the fuse link back in there. And you can also get these fuse link kits at the auto parts store. And it's basically a copper wire with insulation there, and you replace the fuse link with that copper wire. You put a couple spade connectors on the ends of that wire, and then you just plug it back into the fuse box. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh good, we got instrument lights. Clock is flashing on and off, and I can hear the radiator fan. So on this car I've got a starter button down here because it hadn't been started for a few days. There it goes. Okay, so thanks for watching.